Hi guys, we got these little gingerbread wood garland that was gifted to us. It comes with 4 different pictures. So there's a little gingerbread house. There's also a little gingerbread man. They're the same on both sides. This gingerbread man, I don't know if you can see it, has glasses. There is a little lady that says Merry Christmas, and also a little lady that has a little bell. It also comes with a piece of twine here that you can twine them together so you can hang them up. There are quite a few in there, probably about 10 to 15. They are made of wood, so they're hard. It's not a sticker, doesn't feel like a sticker. But I would definitely, these will make a great addition if you are a school teacher or just somebody who's looking to do a little decorating. I would definitely recommend these. Thanks.